Let's face it, cars can be a pain. From the dreaded tire pressure light to the frustration of getting into a boiling hot car on a summer day, we've all been there. But what if you could avoid some of these annoying problems with a few simple hacks? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into 21 car hacks every driver wishes they knew earlier. These tips will save you time, money, and maybe even your sanity. 1. Tire pressure. Adjust for winter. We all know that tire pressure affects your car's performance, but did you know you should adjust it based on the season? In cold weather, tire pressure decreases, which can reduce traction and tire life. Increase your tire pressure by 5 psi during the winter months. This will improve safety, save you fuel, and extend your tire's lifespan. 2. Stop overfilling your gas tank. When you hear that click at the gas pump, stop. Filling your tank further can cause fuel foaming, which damages your fuel system. The fix? Fill up slowly, top off halfway, and wait a moment before topping it off again. This prevents overflow, protects your car, and even adds an extra 1.3 gallons of fuel. Your car will thank you. 3. Cool down your car fast. If you've ever jumped into a car after it's been sitting in the sun, you know how brutal it can be. Don't blast the AC immediately. Use the thermal cascade technique. Roll down the windows on one side, then open and close the opposite front door a few times. This creates a low pressure zone, pushing hot air out. Then, turn on your AC to finish the job. Your car will cool down in no time. 4. Cracking the window. Avoid steering wheel burns. On a hot day, dark steering wheels can get up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid burns by cracking the windows before you leave your car. This lets hot air escape, reducing the temperature of your steering wheel by as much as 30%. It's an easy step to make your car more comfortable when you return. 5. Cooking spray to prevent frozen doors. Winter mornings can be tough, especially when your car doors freeze shut. Here's a clever hack. Spray cooking oil on the rubber seals of your doors before the cold weather sets in. The oil prevents moisture from freezing, so your doors will open smoothly when the frost hits. 6. Hand sanitizer for frozen door handles. If your door handles are frozen, use hand sanitizer. The alcohol in the sanitizer helps melt the ice quickly. Just apply a small amount to the key or handle, and voila, you're back in the car without any hassle. 7. Stop window fog with a potato. Foggy windows are a nightmare, but instead of reaching for an expensive defogger, grab a potato. Rub a sliced potato on your windows. The starch helps absorb moisture, preventing fog buildup. It's an old-school trick that works like a charm. 8. Decode your fuel gauge arrow. Have you ever pulled up to the gas pump and had no idea which side your gas tank is on? That little arrow next to the fuel pump icon on your dashboard actually points to the side where your fuel tank is located. A quick check and no more awkward parking. 9. Nail polish for scratches. Small scratches on your car don't have to be an expensive fix. Instead of paying for a full paint job, grab some nail polish in a color that matches your car. Apply it to the scratch, and not only does it improve appearance, it also prevents rust. A simple, affordable fix. 10. Clear nail polish for windshield chips. If you get a chip in your windshield, use clear nail polish to prevent it from spreading. It seals the crack, keeping dirt and moisture out. It's not a permanent solution, but it buys you time until you can get the windshield repaired. 11. Pool noodles for garage protection. Tired of scraping your car doors on the garage walls? Use pool noodles. Cut them in half and attach them to the walls at door height. This protects your car from getting dinged and is a cheap, simple solution. Pool noodles are a fantastic, low-cost way to protect both your car and your garage from unnecessary damage. 12. Tennis ball parking guide. Struggling to park in a tight garage? Hang a tennis ball from the ceiling so it touches your windshield when you've parked just right. It's a perfect, no-cost parking assistant. No more worrying about hitting the walls or damaging your car, just perfect parking every time. 13. Toothpaste for cloudy headlights. If your headlights are looking cloudy or yellowed, toothpaste can restore their shine. Apply toothpaste to a damp cloth, rub it in circular motions on your headlights, and rinse. This will clean them up, improving visibility without the cost of replacing them. The toothpaste works as a mild abrasive that removes the buildup, leaving your headlights sparkling again. 14. Silicone cupcake liners for cup holders. Cup holders are magnets for spills, crumbs, and sticky messes. Instead of constantly cleaning them, use silicone cupcake liners. They fit perfectly, catch spills, and are easy to wash. Simple, yet effective. Silicone liners are reusable and can save you from the headache of constantly cleaning your car's cup holders. 15. Citrus oils to stay alert. Long drives can make you sleepy. Instead of constantly chugging coffee, try citrus oils like lemon or orange. The scent has been shown to boost alertness and keep you focused while driving. It's a simple way to stay awake on the road and an easy, natural alternative to relying solely on caffeine. 16. Reset your ECU. Sometimes your car's engine runs rough for no apparent reason. If you've recently had major repairs or your car is misbehaving, try resetting the ECU, engine control unit. An OBD2 scanner can reset it quickly, saving you the cost of a mechanic. It's a DIY way to solve minor glitches and improve your car's performance without the pricey visit to the auto shop. 17. Tire tread depth. Use a penny. Tire tread depth is crucial for safety, especially in wet conditions. To check it without a mechanic, grab a penny. Insert the penny with Lincoln's head upside down into the tread. If you can see the top of his head, your tires are too worn and it's time for replacements. This easy, no-cost test ensures you're driving with safe, reliable tires. 18. Paper towel oil test. Want to know if your oil is still good? It's simple. Use a paper towel. Warm up your engine, wipe the dipstick on the towel, and let it sit for a couple of hours. If it's too dark or has metal flakes, it's time for an oil change. Quick, easy, and cheap. It's a simple method that lets you keep track of your engine's health between oil changes. 19. Emergency shift override button. Ever had your car's battery die while you're stuck in a parking lot? If your car has an emergency shift override button, you can shift it into neutral even if the engine is off. It's a lifesaver when you need to move your car out of the way. This feature allows you to quickly and safely get your car out of a tight situation. 20. Floor mats to get unstuck. Stuck in snow or mud? Floor mats can be your last-ditch effort to gain traction. Place the mat under the wheels and slowly drive over it. This can help you escape sticky situations without needing to call for help. It's an easy solution when you're in a bind and don't have a traction device on hand. 21. Prevent motion sickness with pool noodles. Long car trips with kids can lead to motion sickness. Prevent it by placing a pool noodle under the front of their car seat. This slight tilt allows them to see out of the front window, reducing nausea. It's a simple fix for a smoother ride, making your road trips more enjoyable for everyone in the car. These 21 simple car hacks will save you time, money, and frustration. From preventing frozen doors in winter to checking your tire tread with a penny, these tips make driving easier and more efficient. Try them out and see how much smoother your daily commute can be. You've got the hacks now, go enjoy the ride. If these hacks made your life a little easier, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. Got your own car hacks? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Safe driving, and we'll catch you in the next video.